the chances that of all the different variations that the Walmart box offers, that I would get 2 boxes that are the exact same variation? Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be going through the Walmart Beauty Box, and this is for spring 2025. Now if you've not seen this box before, this is a quarterly beauty subscription box. Beauty being a very broad term though. So Walmart will take products from their entire beauty department and then feature those different products inside of this quarterly subscription. But here's the part that I don't understand. So today I have with me my box, which you can tell because I took the plastic wrap off of it. And then I got my sister's box, which she's not opened up yet. And I was like, hey, this is gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna compare both boxes. We're gonna open them together. We'll check out 2 different variations because, okay, seriously, Walmart has like 25 different variations every quarter. But somehow, you guys, we got the exact same box. I just don't even know how that's possible. I mean, what are the odds? Okay, I am asking that rhetorically because I know we could figure out the statistic on that, but I don't really care. It's more rhetorical. So for today's unboxing, we're gonna open up one of these, but like I said, they are identical. Now, if you wanna compare and see what your box is, you can always look at the label on the front. We have variation 8 is what my sister and I both received. This is a different box though, isn't it? I just now realized this looking at it. It's a lot more Walmart-y than usual. So this season's curation is designed to be fresh and glowy. And then it also says, AKA your next obsession. So inside of this little booklet, it will talk to you about some of the products that are available for this season's box. You are not going to receive all of the products that are listed here. And in fact, you may not receive any of these products. Walmart has a knack for surprising us with whatever items are in here. So we may have some of these, but then again, you could have totally random products in there too. I didn't even mention the best part, you guys. The best part is the price. This subscription box, if you want to purchase it, quarterly box, arrives every 3 months. It is technically a free box that Walmart offers, and all you have to pay for is shipping, which the shipping on this box is $6.98 to receive, so it's a steal. So down below in my box, this is what I have. You know, for first impressions, it's a little lackluster. First item that I have in here is from Dove, and hey, oh, never mind, it's not a dry, well, is it? No, it's a dry spray. This is not, it is deodorant. Okay, see, I'm going all over the place. I thought this was deodorant, and I'm like, yeah, I called it. I said we'd get deodorant, but then it says dry spray on the front of it, and then I'm thinking, is this a dry shampoo? It is, in fact, a deodorant. After that whole debacle, we have decided it is a deodorant. This is a travel-sized amount, but honestly, there's enough here to try it and see if you like it or not. That way you don't have to buy this at full price and you get to try it in the sample box. So this will work for 72 hours. It is a cool essential scent, which is featuring mint and cucumber inside of it. It mentions that it's cruelty-free, it is vegan and PETA approved. They went the extra step even. This one will reduce underarm wetness, so that way it's dry, but it's also going to neutralize any odors as well. So all in all, decent product. I am not a huge, I just don't love spraying my armpits. It's just personal preference. I like the sticks, I like the balm, but there's something about spraying that it's just so cold and I'm like, I just don't love it as much, but that's just me. The next item that we have in here is a cute little cleansing water. Oh my gosh, you guys have to see this. We have 1 ounce or 31 mil. Look at him. I am so used to, though, with these micellar cleansing waters, they're typically really large jugs. I mean, huge bottles. But this one's your cute little travel size. So this is a cleansing water that will remove makeup, and all you have to do is put it on like a cotton pad, and then you'll rub that all over. It will take off any makeup or oils that you may have on your skin. This one is actually their waterproof version, which means it will remove waterproof mascara even. Sometimes you can do a setting spray that's waterproof. It will take that off as well. So this one will be a cleanser and refresh your skin. It will not create any harsh rubbing, so it's safe for all skin types, even sensitive skin, and you can use it all over the face, lips, and eyes. This does not have any oil in it, alcohol, or fragrance. So we've got a cute little cleansing water here. These do work really well. I've had this brand before. I do think they're effective. Cleansing waters aren't the most expensive. What am I doing? It's a $7 box. I'm always used to comparing the value, and it's like cleansing waters are only a few bucks. But again, the whole box is only a few bucks. We also have some Mighty Patches in here from Hero Cosmetics. Love these. 100% recommend if you guys have never tried them or you want a recommendation. I love this product. Mighty Patch was the first set of pimple patches that I ever tried out, and now I have a whole bunch of them, you guys. So this particular one is their original version, which is the red package. However, they make different versions now where they're smaller, they're thinner. The ones that I love are purple, and they have these derma needles on them. They're not super sharp, but what's nice is it gets the serum and that solution down into the zit, and it will reduce the appearance of that zit. So it's not gonna be as bright red, it's not gonna be as irritated. It helps to reduce swelling to get rid of it faster. So they work really well, but those ones where it pokes in a little, it does so well at getting rid of anything. Extreme Sensation. This is from NYX, and it is their Duck Plump. So that's kind of funny. It is a high pigment plumping lip gloss. We have 2.7 mil here for this one. So the shade is technically called Clearly Spicy, but I don't think it's going to turn your lips orange per se. I think it's honestly just going to give you a little tint there and give you kind of that golden glow. I don't think I'm going to actually swatch this. But yeah, if you look at this, it's gonna be so light that it'll just give you a little bit of a golden color, but it's not gonna turn your lips orange. The problem with me swatching plumping lip glosses is it's going to leave, like it's gonna tingle and actually irritate my hand here a little bit. And because it says extreme sensation, I'm gonna take their word for it. And I just don't really wanna have a red welt all over the back of my hand, but I am excited to try this one. I've not tried it before. Plumping lip glosses are great. I have one on today even. What's nice is they bring out your natural color and it will give you a little bit more of a flushed lip look. So I do like those because they're very effective, and I do feel like they actually plump your lips out. Okay, last item that we have in here today is a fragrance sample. This is coming from Steve Madden, and it is the, well, it just fell out actually, but this is the Goldie fragrance that we have here. So this is our sample card. I'm not kidding, it just popped right out like it was having a baby or something. But this is what it would look like if you bought the full-size version. This is 1.5 ml of spray. It doesn't mention, all it says is that it's an intoxicating floral woody fragrance, but I don't know what the individual notes are. Can't really smell it either. Let me go ahead and spritz this. It is. Man, this smells really good. It's got a woody note in there, but I actually feel like the floral and the woodsy notes complement each other really well. It smells like you're in a garden, so you can get that kind of earthiness to it, but then you get those floral notes as well. It's really good. I do like this. I would wear this one, honestly. So for $7, I received 5 items inside of my box. I mean, honestly, a little over $1 per item. I definitely think this box is worth it. What I'm more surprised by is that on my card, I have nearly almost all of these. So we received the cleansing water, the Mighty Patch, we got the perfume, the deodorant, and then the NYX lip oil as well. So, I mean, I received almost everything on here. I'm gonna open up my sister's box just to verify that I'm not missing anything. I don't think I am because this feels very light again, but I just wanna double check. I just wanna make sure that for variation 8, they are the same. So yes, okay, hers is literally identical. So if you get variation 8, this is what you're gonna receive. So that is everything for today's unboxing video, you guys. Comment down below, let me know what did you get in your Walmart boxes, because like I mentioned, there's like 20 some different variations out there every quarter. So you and I could have similar items, but they may be really different too. So comment down below, let me know what you guys got. I did see in the book that you could get a full-size nail kit. They're faux nails, but they're from Sally Hansen and they retail for $8. This would pay for your entire box. So you may get that in your Walmart box too, which would be awesome. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye.